Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and right here with me is the Hisense AP12NXG 1.5 horsepower portable air conditioner. I've been using this for about 2 weeks already and have been very satisfied with the performance and features that this air conditioner offers. And here's what you need to know about it. Now, there are a few reasons why you want to consider buying a portable air conditioner as compared to a ceiling mount one. Now, first of all, as its name already suggests, it is portable. Now, there are sometimes spaces such as your living room, meeting room, or even like a small booth that you have in the fair. You might just want to have a portable air conditioning where it is way more convenient to transport around, because look at this here, it actually has wheels right at the bottom, so you can actually like push it around in your home and set it up anywhere as long as there's a plug point, plug it in and press the power on button and it turns on already. But let's just get to the features before I continue sharing my thoughts on this, right? Now, this portable air conditioner right here has three main functions. Now, first of all, being an air conditioner, second, being a regular fan, and third, it can be a dehumidifier as well. So as you can see, it is a multi-purpose portable air conditioner, and I really love these benefits. Now, turning over to the back here, you'll realize that there is a exhaust fan right over here. Now, this is very important because whenever you use its aircon function, you will need to exhaust heat out to outside a window or a door, depending on how your setup really is. Because just like a conventional compressor, if you do not exhaust heat outside, this aircon will never be able to cool down your room, and that hot air will keep on recycling inside your room space, which isn't good at all. Now, of course, with this exhaust fan right over here, Hisense also does provide an extendable hose, which you can actually mount it onto a windowsill if you happen to have one, and they even have a casing for a windowsill if you actually needed one. But for my case, I just leave my window open and I just put it out, and it actually works pretty well. Now, notice that unlike a conventional air conditioner, the Hisense R32 portable air conditioner doesn't have any outlets for water drips. That's because it is located at right here. Notice that there's actually two caps right here that's closed right now. Now, you don't necessarily need to drain the water out of this hose because the aircon will basically recycle water within its compressor system so that it continues to deliver cool air. Now, this is a really advanced technology that Hisense has done right over here, and it actually keeps your room really clean without all those waters dripping here and there. So like any conventional air conditioners out there, there are two things that you will need to maintain, which is its top filter and the bottom filter right here. And it's really easy to remove. Let me just show you that. Now, just take out the first one, and this is the first filter that actually protects the radiator here. And the second one is right here at the bottom. Here you go, it looks exactly like a conventional aircon filter where you will need to clean it up when it gathers dust. Now, notice that on this side here, this is where the R32 gas compartment really is, but just in case if you want to refill the gas when the gas runs out, you will need to, of course, call any professionals to come over to maintain the aircon, and I do not recommend that you do that yourself. This portable air conditioner has a built-in 4-feet power cord, which I would have hoped that Hisense would allow me to detach this power cord and let me attach a longer one, because there are times that I need to use it at a place where there's no power socket nearby. So in that case, I will usually have to use a high power extension cord to power up the aircon, because based on the measurements of my power meter, this portable air conditioner can use up between 950 to 970 watts, and it can go up even higher if your room is very hot and requires more cooling, so the wattage will definitely go up. So if you happen to have a place that doesn't have a power socket nearby, it's best that you invest in a high power extension cord to power up this guy here. Now, let's turn on the aircon and check out its features. So I have the remote control here, and I'm going to power it on. So there's a beep now, and it turns on, and the flap comes up. Now, I'm not sure whether you can hear the noise that this portable aircon is making, but Hisense says that it performs at 59 decibels, which is actually very reasonable and very tolerable if you put it in a dining hall and a meeting room. In terms of cooling performance, it has a cooling capacity of 12,000 BTU per hour, and it covers a space of 360 cubic meters, which translates to about 500 square feet. Now, this is actually very good for a small living hall in an apartment, or if you want to put it in a dining hall, or if you want to put it at a workspace. And I can tell you that the cooling performance is really, really good. Now, apart from using the remote control to control the Hisense portable air conditioner, you do get a couple of standard controls on top here. Now, these are soft buttons. They are actually very easy to press. So this is where you can change between the modes. This is the aircon cooling mode, the dehumidifier dry mode, and the fan only mode. Now, here's a big LED display that shows the current room temperature, and it also shows the operating temperature of this portable air conditioner. So after a while, when you set to the desired temperature you want to, it will go back to the room temperature. So I initially got mistaken about that, but this is how it actually performs, right? Now here's another button for you to control the fan speed depending on how fast you want it to go. And there are two more indicators here to show the timer and the sleep mode. Now, let me show you guys on how it swings, okay? So we're gonna press on the swing button here for the flaps to swing so that it can circulate air. So let's press on it. Yep, it goes up to as high as 90 degrees and it comes down probably to about a 45-degree angle. Yeah, this is how low that it can go. Overall, the Hisense AP12NXG is a great value portable air conditioner, and Hisense is constantly doing promotions on its Lazada and Shopee store. So head over to the links below to check it out. So yeah, that concludes my thoughts on this portable air conditioner right here. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you would love to see more reviews of home appliances on the channel, remember to give us a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos coming right up, and I'll see you in the next one.